Welcome students. Today we'll see 8th standard 5th lesson expansion formulae. These three formulas we have studied last year. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This one we can read as first term and second term. In terms of this, you can remember this. That means in place of a and b, any alphabet or number will come. You can solve this using this expansion formulas. Now, today we'll see new one. First formula, x plus a into the bracket and second bracket x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here x is first term, second term, first term, second term. X is the alphabet here and a and b are the constant numbers. Now using this we will solve practice set 5.1. Now three more formulas are there. In this lesson we will learn. See, a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Whole cube or bracket cube you can say for this. Only a sign difference is there, terms are same. See the formula, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Then a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Fourth formula, a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. We can read this like this. First term plus second term whole cube is equal to first term cube plus thrice or three times first term square into second term plus thrice first term into second term square plus second term cube. A is first term, B is second term. Here in the fourth formula three terms are there. So addition of all the three terms squares. A square first term square plus second term square plus third term square plus twice first term into second term plus twice second term into third term plus twice first term into third term. Now you'll see practice set 5.1 on the basis of this first formula. See, what is the first formula? X plus a into x plus b. X square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Now see here, this is the first question from practice set 5.1. A is here x, 2 is a is x and minus 1 is b. Now just put the values in the formula. X square, in place of x square you have to write a square plus a plus b. Here 2 minus 1. 2 plus minus 1. Close the bracket. Into x means a plus a into b means, see your second terms are there. 2 multiplied by minus 1. Now solve this. First term square plus, now here 2 plus minus minus 2 minus 1 1 into a plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 a square plus 1 into a plus minus minus 2. This is the answer. Now see fourth one. 13x and 13 minus x. 13 is a x, 13 is x. Here x is a x b. Here minus and you have to take with this b. Now see, a square x square, first term is 13, that means 13 square, plus a plus b means x minus x multiplied by 13, plus a into b means x into x, x into minus x. See the answer, 13 square 169. Here x minus x means it will be 0, and 0 multiplied by any number you will get 0 only. Now x into x, x square, but minus sign is there, so minus x square. This is your answer. Now see here, fifth question, 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 5y. Here first term 3x is a, 4y is 3x is x, 4y is a, 3x is x, and 5y is b. Our formula is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now see, 3x square plus a plus b means 4y plus 5y into x, that is 3x, plus 4y into 5y. Now 3x square of 3x, 9x square, 4y plus 5y, 9y. Here 3x is there, 3x into 9y plus 4 into 5, 20, y into y, y square. Middle term is remaining, 9x square plus 9 3 ja 27xy plus 20y square. Like this, this is your answer. Now see next question. This in place of a and b, fraction is there. First term m square plus 2 by 3 plus minus 7 by 3 into m. Now plus 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 7 by 3. First term as it is m square. Now here denominator is same, and up minus 7 is there. So 2 minus 7 minus 5 divide by 3, here m. Then here multiplication, 7 2 ja 14, 3 3 ja 9, and here minus sign. This is your final answer. Now see the next question. X plus 1 upon x, x 1 upon x minus 1 upon x. Now here this formula also you can use, or up 1, x plus a, x plus b, that answer will come same. Here see, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here if you will consider a, b, because terms are similar. If terms are similar only, we can use this formula. Now here a is x, so x square. Second term b is 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. This is the final answer. Now we will go to the next formula. that is a plus b cube is equal to a plus b is equal to first term cube plus 3 times first term square into second term, 3 times first term into second term square plus second term cube. Now see, same time we will see the minus formula also, so it will be easy to remember. Now a minus b whole cube, see, a whole formula is same, just in place of these two plus we have to add minus sign, minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now this formula we are using, we will use in the practice set 5.2, and on the basis of this minus formula, practice set 5.3. Now we'll go to the practice set 5.2. So we'll see second one. Here 7x is a and 8y is b. Our formula is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now see, first term cube, that is 7x cube plus 3 7x square into 8y plus 3 into 7x into 8y square plus 8y cube. Now second step, 7x cube. So cube of 7 is 343. X cube plus 3 into 7 square 49 into x square into 8y plus 7 into 3 21x into 8 square 64y square plus cube of 8 512y cube. Now first term as it is, then multiply 8 into 3 into 49 x square y, then 21 into 64 x y square, then this term as it is. Now see, I have multiplied this. This is your final answer. 49 into 3 into 8 1176 x square y, then 1344 x y square plus 5 into 512 y cube. This is the answer. Now we'll go to the next. Now see, third question, 52 cube. Now directly we can't solve this directly because expansion formula you have to use for this. Now our expansion formula is a plus b cube. So now here see, 52 number is there. Now we can bifurcate this 50 plus 2. So we can write 50 plus 2 cube. Here 50 is a, 2 is b. Now we can apply the formula. 50 plus 2 cube. First one is 50 cube plus 3 into 50 square into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 square plus cube of 2. Now cube of 50 means 125 50 square 3 into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 4, 2 square 4 plus 2 cube 8. Now we have to multiply this and add all the terms. See, multiplication of this I have done. Now addition. 8 then 0 6 5 5 plus 5 is 10 0 4. This will be your answer. Now see this one, fifth question, 101 cube. You can solve this like this: 100 plus 1 cube using same formula. Again these fractions are there. From this one I will solve and show you. Seventh one I will solve for you. See this one, way of solving is same. Using same formula you have to solve. Just fraction is there in this. First term is 2m, that is a. Second term is 1/5, that is b. Now here first term cube 2m cube plus 3 into 2m square into second term plus 3 into first term into second term square plus second term cube. Now see, 8 is the cube of 2, 8m cube plus 3, this 5 you can take here, 3/5 into 4m square plus 3 2 the 6m into 1/25 plus 1/125. Now 8m cube plus 12/5m square plus 6/25 m plus 1/125. Same way remaining from this exercise you have to solve. Now we'll go for this formula. A minus b is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. That is practice set 5.3. Now see, this is the practice set 5.3. Expand. Now from this I'll solve and show you. This is for subtraction formula. Then simplify. In this both the formulas we have to use. See, a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Both the formulas we have to use. That is why I'll show you. See first one, 2m minus 5 whole cube. First term cube minus 3 first term square into second term plus 3 into first term into second term square minus 5 cube second term cube equal to 8m cube minus 3 into 4m square into 5 plus 3 to the 6 m into 25 minus cube of 5 is 125. Next 8m cube minus 60m square plus 25 6 150 m minus 125. This is also so easy. Just you have to see this signs. After first term minus sign is there, and before last term minus sign is there. Rest formula is same.